I just pulled off one of the doors. Yikes! Well, it looks like this house is still has a lot of life in it.
This is a house we just bought in rural Japan, and it came with more than just a few creaky floors and old beams.
Do I dare open the fridge? I don't think this fridge is very useful.
In the last video, we began sorting through the house while setting aside a few of our favorite finds. Today, we're continuing that process, organizing what we can't keep, and making our first trips to Japan's waste centers. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is Pancake. And after years of fixing up our rented Akiya, we're finally pouring our energy into a project that is officially ours. But before the new can happen, we have to deal with the old, and in some cases, with those who stayed behind.
Oh, God.
Start hauling this out.
Disposal is an important part of any renovation process, and Japan is no exception. Here, garbage disposal follows a very meticulous system, with sorting into many categories, from burnable and non-burnable waste to specific recyclables, often with smaller subcategories within each. This time, we're starting with the easiest load for our first run. Today, we're heading to the local waste center, which also functions as a waste-to-energy facility. These plants generate power from incinerated waste, using advanced filtration systems, including carbon capture, before feeding that power back into the local grid. To use one, we drive onto the scale to weigh our truck. We show our ID and declare our garbage load. Inside, staff guides us to where we should unload. When we're done, we drive back onto the scale and pay the difference. Waste disposal costs can vary widely depending on the municipality. This time, we only paid 600 yen.
There he is. Look how red his face is. Oh, that monkey.
Oh, there's a couple of
Oh, they're
them.
naughty.
As we continue sorting, we're still finding things to keep, like these beautiful yukata tucked away in drawers. But time hasn't been kind to everything. my gosh, what is that?
Are those seeds?
Seeds.
Yeah. It's a rat nest.
Oh no, it's the
Oh,
pillow.
it's a pillow. But
Japan's humidity can seep into corners quietly. And in a house that's been empty for years, that damage multiplies fast. And while we can't control everything we uncover here, I can control what I share online. This is where I want to thank today's sponsor, Surfshark. With Surfshark VPN, your online activity stays private and safe, especially when you're traveling on public Wi-Fi or anytime you just want an extra layer of protection. Every second that you're on the internet, companies and websites are going to be recording who you are, what your name is, how you use those websites. And if that website were to encounter a data breach, then it means that all of that information can end up falling into the wrong hands. And that's where Surfshark encryption can actually protect you from that. By masking your connection, Surfshark hides your activity and IP address, and even blocks ads, trackers, and malware.
whoa.
And if a random website wants your email, then you can give it a fake one using an alternative ID. Surfshark also gives me access to all the internet. So that includes websites that are blocked in my region. So if I want to access like a show that isn't available in Japan, all I have to do is change my country in the Surfshark settings. And because you can put an unlimited number of devices onto one plan, it means that you and everyone in your family can benefit from the security of Surfshark. Surfshark does have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can test it out just to make sure it's right for you. If you do try it, be sure to go to surfshark.com/MyComika and use my MyComika code at checkout, because that will get you 4 extra months onto your Surfshark VPN. Should you go home? Should you go home? Should you go home? As we keep peeling back the layers, we open things that haven't been touched for years. And in the process, we came face to face with some of the house's long-term residents. Pulled off one of the doors. Yikes! It's a little crawly. Right. Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. I think that's solid wood, too.
I think it is. I think that might be something to keep.
The clean has uncovered a few more things we'll be keeping.
Is that jade?
I don't know what that is.
It's jade.
Is it?
Yeah. Should keep that. The knitting machine.
The furniture, however, has seen better days.
There we go.
Most of the furniture in the house is made from compressed wood and laminate, which doesn't age well, especially in a house that's been closed for years.
There's something in the drawers.
As each item comes out, the structure beneath slowly reveals itself, giving us a clearer sense of what kind of renovation lies ahead.
Not really a wall at all.
God, no wonder it's cold in here.
Beautiful. That whole wall is definitely original.
All right, let's go. You. Oh my! It's just falling apart.
The cabinet is sitting.
I couldn't remove these drawers the other day.
It's on the same track as this other door. Get my fingers under it. How do you see any damage on it. Coming off the wall here. Obviously just kind of breaking off, yeah. Kind of looks like somebody just stuck a pallet on there, hey? Original clay doma.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you see it? It's clay.
There's still more sorting to do before we can even think about renovation. And the construction waste will be a whole other chapter in this story.
It's good chipped out.
Okay.
Hence why I'm thinking of that chipper.
Even so, ideas are already starting to take shape.
Start off from here somewhere. This
Okay.
will take a little turn. And you turn. I would take the Ingawa and have it turn a corner here. And have another. And then the bathrooms. And then the kitchen over here. Right, there's yard. Right now. And a permit block. Permits permitting.
As always, thank you so much for joining us. And a big thank you to our amazing subscribers and Patreon community. If you'd like to see a voiceover free version and other behind the scenes content, you can find them over on my Patreon.
I gotta lift this by myself.
I thought you were on your way to doing it. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah. Why would you do that to me? Where was that?
That was behind the gecko door. Okay. Down here. You can't look sad with the camera. You're shaking. You can get it all. Sorry. I know.